Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I thought I would show you a really quick side dish that you can make where you don't need to use your oven if you've got a dinner party going or Thanksgiving dinner or Christmas dinner or whatever. You guys can do this on the stove top. So on the stove top, I'm going to say that all right. So this is Brussels sprouts. So we're going to be steaming Brussels sprouts and we're going to then saute it in a butter, garlic, Parmesan sauce. And it is just perfect. I did that for Thanksgiving, Canadian Thanksgiving, and family members absolutely loved it. And even the ones that really didn't appreciate Brussels sprouts. So that was a win for me. So the idea is that you want to chop off the ends of the Brussels sprouts because it's very fibrous, right? And you want to take the outer leaves or any leaves that are loose on the outside or black, and then you just want to make a cross. So cut in the bottom, cut a deep cross, and keep it like that. So that'll help it steam. The other thing is then depending on the size of your Brussels sprouts, you might want to maybe slice them in half. Like this one's a super big one, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ends, the leaves off, and then I'm just going to slice this one in half, right? And then this way I have even amount in here. So take those leaves off, and then let's just cut that one in half. And the reason why you're doing the halves as well is because you want to have everything sort of steam at the same time, right? And I have different sizes of Brussels sprouts in here. So the ones that are smaller and you want to keep the size, you just do what I showed you here, is you take the outer leaves off, cut off the fibrous ends, and then do a cross. Well, I went all the way down on that one. I shouldn't have, but let's try this again. There we go. And simply just do a cross like that. But this was a bigger one, so I'm going to drop it in. And this should take about 8 minutes to do on the stove top. Can't say that word today for some reason. Just keep taking your leaves. So you see this one here? When you start unraveling it, I don't like that one. So you know what? I keep unraveling it and it still has issues. So just throw that away. So before I did this I gave them a good rinse, and then I dried them, and then I had them parked in the fridge for a day. Because I was going to do it the other day, but got tired and lazy. It's like, why? So this is a perfect size one to keep by itself. There we go. And it's you would think, why would I? You know, it's going to take 8 minutes to do. I just wasn't in the mood of cooking. Do you guys get in that way where you just don't want to do anything? I mean, I love to cook, but some days I just don't want to do it. Now, what you want to do is you want to turn on your stove, and you want to prepare your pot, and you want to put your steamer basket in. So you want the water just skimming your steamer basket. And I like to salt my steam water. The reason why I like to salt the steam water is because the steam will impart some of the salted flavor into the Brussels sprouts. So that's it. So compost that. So let's go over to the stove. As I mentioned, see, put the base of the water, put your steamer in it, so the water is just skimming the bottom. You need to add a little bit more. Add in a little bit more. Perfect. And then I salt it like the ocean and let that dissolve. Trust me on this process. You could also put some lemon down at the bottom and steam it with lemon. Done that before. Didn't I tell you I love fall? Love the fall season. You get to enjoy the harvest bounty in all different forms. You know, I could have easily just roasted these Brussels sprouts, but lately everyone's been roasting them, glazing them, and I wanted to do something that was a little bit more traditional. Steam. And how do you do a quick side when you've got your oven's really busy and no space? So you can definitely do Brussels sprouts like this. I tried to put the bigger ones sort of in the middle. You know what? The extra leaves that fell off, adding that in as well. So you want to steam that for about 8 minutes. So I'm going to put it to 7 so I can come back and check it. There's 2 minutes left. So let me, yeah, that's fork tender. So this is 5 minutes in. So definitely 7 minutes was the right timing for the size of the Brussels sprouts that I have. So this is the simplest sauce that you can make. Just take some butter, splash of olive oil, and just cook off the garlic a little bit. You don't want it to burn. So we're trying to get sort of like a little bit of burnt butter, right? Okay, so nice and steamed. So we're just gonna transfer this over to a dish. Get all these wonderful nutty flavor from the butter. And then I sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top of it. And we don't put it in the oven. There you go. Just perfect steamed Brussels sprouts. And the reason why I like to use the Parmesan cheese, because the Parmesan cheese is slightly nutty and slightly salty. So it adds another dimension to the dish. So let's give this a try. Look at that. Perfect. It just dissolves in your mouth, nicely steamed. Oh, that's exactly what you need. You get the true essence of the Brussels sprouts coming out, and it's not masked by roasting or glazes or anything like that. That is the star of the show. Well, hope you guys enjoy this beautiful Brussels sprouts that I steamed with a little bit of burnt butter, or nut butter as they call it, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and then you just sprinkle it with some salt on top when you go to serve it, and a zest of lemon. So if you remember, I salted the water that I was steaming, so all that salted water and that steam came into the Brussels sprouts, perfectly seasoned. That's a little trick that I do all the time, and it's something that I think you guys should try to do. And a little bit of the Parmesan cheese in it as well, because of that nuttiness as well as that a little bit of umami salt. Once again, thank you so much for joining me. Always greatly appreciated. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning champion, thank you so much for your love. And if you have not yet hit subscribe, consider hitting that subscribe button now. It is free to do so, and it helps the channel tremendously. We are trying to grow the channel, and we're looking for your help. Once again, thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoy this. Bye for now. Ciao. Don't forget to hit subscribe.